Hi, Mrs. Lumen here with a tutorial for how to add your Unsplash add-on to your account and to your Google Slides. The first thing you're going to do is go to the add-ons part of the menu. You're going to get add-ons, and then you can just search for Unsplash and you'll go to Unsplash Images. Here it is right here. Once you click on it, all you have to do is click install. As long as you have permission to install it, you should be fine. Then you're going to allow Unsplash Images to access your Google account. And that's it. Then once you have it installed, you can add Unsplash Images to any part of your Google Slides. So let's say we want to add something for a tornado. You just search for tornado and look, we get a lot of different options that you can add to your slideshow. You click, and then it ends up as the background. If you'd like to make it smaller, you just change the size, and voila. Now these are all in the public domain. You do not need to cite any of them. I would like for you to cite the add-on at the back, but that's all that you need to do. You don't need to cite each individual photo. That's it. Good luck.